Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will read an essay, My Country. Our country is Pakistan. It is an Islamic country. It is a beautiful country. It came into being on 14 August 1947. Quaid-e-Azam is the founder of Pakistan. Our national language is Urdu. It has 4 provinces. Hockey is our national game. I am proud of my country. I love my country.
If you like this video, please hit the like button, and for more videos subscribe my channel. Thank you.